Good morning, everybody. This is Jeremy here again at the Ontario Regiment RCAC Museum in Oshawa, continuing our behind-the-scenes coverage of the museum during the close down. And today we're actually going to go where members of the public never go, which is one of our storage facilities, and look at the extensive collection that is in here. Here we have a Bombardier Iltis. This is fully operational. And we have two of our static vehicles that are on long-term storage right now. This is a Panzerwerfer 42, built on a Ford multi-year chassis. And that was formerly in the Victory Museum in Belgium before it closed down. It was on display in the museum for several years. Our collection has grown, so it's been put in storage in here. Operational Canadian Lynx. Another one of our M113s. You know, we have a vast collection of the entire family. And here's an interesting static piece. This is a Martyr 3. However, it's a replica. It's actually built on a real 38T chassis. It formerly was, we understand, an M41 Swedish light tank. But then the Belgian Victory Museum had the turret and the gun mocked up to make it a static display of a Martyr 3. Mark I Bren gun carrier. M38A1 Jeep. This is fully operational. A Mutt. And this we actually use for our shows. This is an M113 Armored Recovery Vehicle, the ARV. Actually use this, it's one of our operational maintenance vehicles to do recoveries from the tank arena. This is where we store the M548, aka known around here as the Battle Bus. It's our modified carrier with bus seats so that we can give members of the public rides around the tank arena. Several other vehicles in storage in here. The Deuce and a Half. As you can see, it needs a little work on the drive shaft to put in here. It's going to be a project this spring, temporarily on hold, obviously. Bit of a workhorse around the museum, our M37 and another 113. This one's done up in Gulf War colors. So this is just a look at one of our storage buildings, things that are not currently on display in long-term or short-term storage. You know, we have a vast collection, over 120 fully operational vehicles and about 15 non-operational vehicles. So we can't always have them on display in the museum or in the Military Vehicle Conservation Center. So we have a number of behind-the-scenes storage facilities. I'm sure you can make a small museum just out of the equipment that is here. Well, there's a Ford CMP. It is a runner. It just is in the middle of a restoration before I got put in here for storage. And there we go. So thanks for watching. We hope you guys are doing well, and that you'll be coming to the museum to see some of these vehicles out in the tank arena once tank season 2020 begins.